Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fashion to figure try on haul. I've been meaning to do this try on haul forever, but like I've said in other videos, I got so super sick. We obviously know why. We're not gonna dive into that right now because I want to focus on this try on haul. For those of you who don't know me, hi, I'm Nadia. If it's your first time, welcome to the family. And if you've been a long time subscriber, love you guys, appreciate your support, and thank you for always showing up. A fun fact about me is I actually went to school for English literature and graphic design and graduated with a BA in English Lit, which is so weird and random because I'm not really using that too much other than when I do write, I guess. And I am secretly working on a novel, but that's a story for another time. Anyways, so let's get into this haul. Without further ado, let's dive into this haul. I'm excited because it's gonna be my first time dressing up so much since we've been quarantined. So yeah, let's get into this haul. I'm share with you guys what I got, picked up a couple of things. So I think the total of everything came out to be around over 400 or 500, I can't remember, but it's probably in the title right now. All of these items were gifted to me from Fashion to Figure, but I am so excited to try these out and you guys can let me know. I'm sorry, I keep looking over at the clothes, but you guys can let me know what you think works, what didn't work, comment below what I should keep. So I put everything in this basket so I can just easily grab it, and it is super heavy to lift. Alright, so bear in mind, a lot of the stuff that I end up getting was like perfect for like summer vacation and tropical vacation destination. Some of it, not all of it. Because I was originally planning to go to Hawaii in April, but that didn't pan out because of everything going on. So yeah, just bear in mind, I'm excited to have these items that hopefully I will eventually be able to use soon enough. But here's the first one. It's this cute little headband. It's like this woven headband. Kind of reminds me of like straw hats and like the bags and stuff, but like how freaking, okay, ignore this. Okay, let's cut this off so we get a better idea. How cute is this? I love this. This is adorable. So cute, perfect for the summer, and it fits nice. It's not sliding anywhere, it's not moving anywhere. It's perfect. I think I'm gonna keep it on for the rest of the haul. The next thing I got was, what is this? I can't even remember what I got anymore. Yeah, it's a little chain belt. I really don't have any belts, and it's because I think I've just strayed away from getting them because it's difficult to get one in my size that fits me, even in like the plus size branding, because I feel like they're always made for hourglass shaped bodies. And they don't keep in mind that even plus size bodies are all different sizes and shapes. This is cool. I like this belt. All right, the next item are more accessories. These cute little, again, I was thinking beach mode, right? Because I was gonna be going to Hawaii. Let's test these out because they're so cute. Little bobby pins with shells in them. So cute. Okay. I love headbands for that reason because it's so easy to style yourself with headbands. Now to the clothes. This first item is a dress. The silhouette is something that I normally don't wear. So it's a little outside of my comfort zone. It's a little bit more form-fitting, and me having a bigger waist, because I'm not shaped like an hourglass. I do carry, my widest section is my midsection because of many different reasons, which we're not gonna get into. And so I'm always nervous that like an outfit is not gonna sit well on my curves. Like I don't mind my belly showing anything like that, but just there's a way that I like clothes to fit my body. So we're gonna try this out. Okay, here we go. This is the dress. Let's show you the details close up. It's a fun fabric. I'm not too sure what's going on over here. Like, I think this is just supposed to be up like this, but it keeps flapping back over like that. Also, I like the way the top part looks. Like I said, again, it's a more form-fitting dress, which is outside of my comfort zone. I normally go for a fit and flare type of thing. And mind you, I sized up for this. This is a size 3. And the reason why I sized up is because I want to make sure that this area felt comfortable. And that's because most form-fitting dresses are made with hourglass figures in mind and not different shaped bodies like my own, taking that into account. But I still think this looks cute. I might even adjust it just so that I can like maybe get like a slit in it so that I can flare out a little bit more and be a little bit more loose over here in this area so that it's not so like snug over here. Because I mean, I can move in and breathe in it, but because of the material itself, it is hugging all of my curves. And I think that maybe with a slip, I would feel like I look a little bit more sleek and smoothed out because of this dress and this style of dress. Normally, I usually opt out of slips just to feel more comfortable, and I don't mind my natural body shape being shown. But I think for something like this, I would wear a slip just because of this material. It just looks better, more sleek, if you get what I'm saying. Just so cute. Oh my god, or maybe even if I shorten it a little bit so it's a bit flared out. Okay, I think I've spent too much time on this. Let's go to the next outfit. Okay, so this next item is another dress, and I am in love. I love this army green and the details of this utility feel of a dress. I got it size 3 again, just because it has a belt in it, and I wanted to be sure that it would fit my midsection like I said before. So it's a little bit loose in some parts, but I actually don't mind it. I kind of like feel it going with this fit and going with this vibe. But look at it, guys. Such a cute dress. Super comfortable, super stylish. I can see myself styling this and wearing it in so many different ways, layering a camel coat with it even, and going out to like a fashion week, because I just, yeah, I love it. Like, it's just so sleek, especially like just because of the sharp and angling of the dress. It just looks so good. There's pockets, huge pockets. What do we think? I'm loving this. And voila. Oh, I like this. All right, I think it's time to move on to the next item of clothing. Okay, the next item I got are these biker shorts. I actually don't own a pair of biker shorts yet, so I figured I'd pick up some. And I got these in a size 3X. I'm realizing I should have gotten them in a size 2X because they are not as form-fitting around the thighs as they should be. But they still fit great. They come up really high. There's a lot of stretch. Very comfy. You can move in them really easily. Perfect, no complaints. Okay. Now this next item is an oversized jean jacket. But this one's really long, guys. So I am in love with it. And the edges are frayed, which are pretty cool. Love that raw look. Love the wash on it too. And this is a size, I'm gonna say 3 as well, because I really wanted it big. But let me just double check. This is a size 3 as well. Yeah. Just love an oversized, long denim jacket. How cool is this with a pair of heels? Would be so cute. Okay, I think we're ready to move on to the next item. So this next item is like this neutral camel looking cardigan, the long cardigan, and I just needed it because it's like a basic that I just need in my wardrobe. And it's super comfy, super light. I think it's so cute. I think it even looks cute with the biker shorts and the crop top. Again, this is, I think, a size 3X as well. Yeah, right? I feel like when something's oversized and it just sort of drops on the body instead of like hugging too tight, I feel like it looks more like high fashion. Yeah, I like this. What do you guys think? I love this whole look and this whole outfit. It's like a trendy at home look. Okay, so the next item are a pair of jeggings. I haven't had a pair of jeggings in forever, so I said why not pick up some. These are distressed. They feel like real jeans. They're a little bit thicker than some jeggings that I've had in the past. I got a 3X again because I wanted to make sure it fits my waist, but because I did that, it is a little bit loose around my ankles and my calves, which I like. My preference is to have it form-fitting and really tight and snug around my ankles and my calves. Here are the jeggings. There's some distressing. I don't know if you can see it from the lighting that's going on here, but there's distressing on both sides. they're absolutely comfortable, and I feel pretty like snug right here and like just secure. And it's a really, really wide waistband, so like I don't imagine it's gonna be folding over or rolling down. So I really like that. I like how it's made. All the pockets are functioning. Okay, let's move on to the next items. So this next one is a bodysuit. I got a 3X, and again, something that's just always so tricky because I want to make sure that it fits my midsection, but it has to fit the rest of my body, and I feel like it's a little too loose up top, and a 2X would have fit better. But I got a 3X because I wanted to make sure that it goes around and I'm able to click it in, and I am. I just left it out this time so that I can show you guys that it is two-toned. I think this top with my biker shorts and the oversized jean jacket would look super cute together. So my only regret about this top is not getting it in a 2X instead. Okay, and this last item that we have, they are high-rise shiny jeggings. They're super big. I got them in a size 3X again. There's a lot of room, there's a lot of stretch. I recommend going true to size. I should have gotten a size 2X. But they are still cute and comfortable nonetheless. You can't, I don't think it's showing up on camera, but they are like kind of sheeny. No pockets though, not a super snug waist. Like I said, I think it's best to go true to size for this one. And I just wanted a basic pair of like shiny jeggings to just throw on for like a comfy on the run outfit or something to just wear at home too. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this try-on haul. I hope you guys found it helpful and insightful, and I'm sorry if some of these things are like kind of old and out of season already. They might be on sale on the website. I know it's taken me forever to just do this haul because I was so sick and there's so much going on, so much craziness. So thank you guys for your patience. Thanks for understanding. And I guess the plus side is that some of these items might be on sale already and you get them at a fraction of the cost. So that's cool. Thank you guys so much for joining me as usual. I love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Until next time, bye. Mwah.